Are you working in the logistics field? Are you finding it difficult to effectively perform your work? There are leading training courses designed for professionals in the logistics field. What will you learn? With an advanced logistics training course, you will learn the skills needed to support logistics functions. You will learn effective planning, stock management, procurement, pricing, logistics, and distribution. These courses will help you learn various strategies to address different problems quickly. You will master the necessary tactical skills in logistics, procurement, operations, and transportation. You will also improve your performance by maximizing your work efficiency and productivity. Which type of logistics training should you look for? Shipping and Logistics Masterclass, Logistics and AM, Supply Chain Management, Purchasing and Procurement courses. How to find the course provider. Promise Training and Consultancy is a premier logistics and supply chain training provider. Contact them at 97154459066 or send your inquiry to info@promisetrainingglobal.com.